Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to set up alarm clock on this device. So first you should find the alarm application here on your device home screen or in the apps menu. I think that's here in my tools folder. So the clock application, and here you can see that I got two previously set alarms, and now you can just enable or disable one from this alarm, or we can also here add the new alarm clock. So click here to plus to add a new alarm. Here you can set the time, for example in 2:30 p.m. or also we can select to the AM here. Here you can click to select this alarm to repeat only once, from Monday to Friday every day, or you can also set the custom repeat here, for example every Monday, Tuesday and Fridays, Saturdays. Now just click here to OK. Here you can set the new ringtone here, for example will stay with the rooster. Here click to OK. Also you can here set up vibration. You can turn it on or turn it off by click once on the switcher, and here you can change the label of alarm, for example Monday alarm. Click here to OK, and now just click here on the right upper corner to set, and as can you see, we just successfully set the new alarm clock on our HUAWEI P9 Lite. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.